And we're back. So, the last lesson, we talked about identifying the time signature, the bar lines, and the measures. We identified the time signature as two numbers stacked on top of each other, and 4-4 was the most common time signature, and sometimes instead of writing a 4-4, composers would just write a C. C. Which stands for common time. Then we identified the bar lines of those lines going up and down, and what they did was separate the music into measures. And the measures were just the space in between the bar lines. I drew these little squiggly, purple squiggly lines just to kind of visually see where the measures actually are. All right, and we didn't put a bar line after time signature because it just assumed that it was there. And I numbered each measure for you. Here's beginning of measure 1, measure 2, measure 3, measure 4. So, next thing we need to understand is what the top number of the time signature is telling us, explaining the top number of the time signature. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull this apart and write the time signature down here. As over here, I'll need some extra room. I'm doing a different color. We'll make it in orange. Alright, so that's what we pulled apart. And now I'm ready to define what it means, just so you can see it. Let's see, let's do it in black. Top number of the time signature. What is it telling us? It's telling us how many beats are in each measure. Now, raise your hand if you thought that the top number of the time signature meant how many measures there were. Anybody? Anybody? It's okay if you did. That's a common mistake for beginners. It has nothing to do with how many measures are up here. We can write as many measures as we need to, as the composer sees fit. Top number of the time signature means something totally different. It tells us how many beats are in each measure. And that's what a measure is actually doing. They are putting the music into groups of beats. Alright, and they're separated by those bar lines. So in each one of these measures right here, since the top number is 4, there are going to be 4 beats in each measure. Let me show you. What color? What color? We got purple, we got pink. How about green? So, 4 beats in each measure. Here's beat 1. Here's beat 2. Here's beat 3. Here's beat 4. That's it. That's where beat 1 happens. Beat 2 happens right there. Beat 3 happens right there. Beat 4 happens right there. Once we get into measure 2, we start it all over again. Here's beat 1, beat 2, beat 3, beat 4, beat 1, beat 2, beat 3, beat 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, let's say, just for fun, let's say there was a 2 on top of the measure. Would this be accurate? No, because then there would only be two beats in each measure. So we go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. But since we have 4, there's 4 beats in each measure. At this point, we can count the beats in each measure. Let's try it. Ready? This is how I always count us off to start together. 1, 2, 1, 2. Wait a minute. Metronome. It keeps a perfect beat for us. It doesn't ever speed up or slow down. It's a computer. It's perfect. I'm going to start it at 100 beats per minute. So every minute there's going to be 100 clicks. That's how fast it is. It's good walking pace. Medium walking pace. So I'll say 1, 2, 1, 2, and ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. That's what the top number of the time signature means. So Hope you understand. See you in the next video. Bye.